Água House by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura in Eldorado do Sul, Brazil. Casa Água located in Eldorado do Sul, RS. The desire of the residents to live close to the water gave the name to the house. The project, developed by the office of Stemmer Rodrigues Architecture, brings this atmosphere to a residence of over 450 square meters. The unique volumetry is reflected in the water mirror that starts in the garden leading to the entrance of the house. Entering the land from the side, the element joins the pool, allowing the water to surround the entire residence. The volume is covered by a large panel of aluminum profiles with a wood finish, interrupted only by horizontal exposed concrete blades. A walkway rises above the water mirror, leading the visitor to the entrance door mimicked in this panel. It was important for the residents that the house had privacy to the street, and on the other hand, it unveiled the view of the city of Porto Alegre at the back. The minimal intervention in the terrain's level curves was also a priority. To do so, the existing slope on the lot was used, leaving the pool slightly suspended over the garden. The biggest challenge was to hide the cars in a narrow plot. The solution found came from the creation of a translucent diagonal element that houses the garage. For the interior design project, the integrated ground floor layout brought functionality to the space. In it and other areas of the residence, a unique color palette, created especially for this project, brings shades of gray and details in orange, which stand out from the elements of indirect lighting.